and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and for tip and trick number 50, this is in relation to working with special shaped diamonds. So we're talking diamonds that are long and thin, we've got bigger ones, we've got hearts. I mean, there's all sorts of ones in here, teardrops as well. So it's in relation to picking those up if you like to work on a special diamond painting. Now, this tip and trick was suggested to me by a subscriber, but she had seen somebody else do it. So I don't know where the original, if there is somebody to accredit for the original. But I thought I would pass on this. I have been known to use it occasionally in the past, but I haven't used it for so long it really did not enter my head. But one thing I do suggest, if you are working with sort of different shaped diamonds, whether you use glue dots or wax in the tip of your pen, I would try and make sure that, especially if you're using wax, you've topped it up. It is not sunken into your pen as much as either flat or sticking out a little bit, whatever that may be. The reason being is quite often these shapes, especially the likes of this big heart, you can actually pick that up with a piece of wax if the wax is flat or sticking out a bit. If the wax is concaved in because it's been picking up the small diamonds that it's designed for quite a while, you'll find that there's no actual wax on the surface or on the flat side of the pen to enable you to pick up a bigger diamond, to place that down wherever you need to on your canvas. So that's one thing that can help pretty much with any size. If you are working on a special diamond painting, is fill up your pen. Make sure that your wax or your glue dot is either as flat as your pen or sticking out a little bit. Go gentle, but it gives you that surface area that is needed to pick up the special diamond. The other thing is use your multi-placer. So especially for these long skinny ones, you've got more of a surface area that's actually got sticky to pick up that diamond. Can work on the big ones as well. Again, it's something that I suggest you've refilled recently, but you've got a lot bigger surface area there that is sticky, that is, you know, able to pick up these chunkier diamonds or even these smaller ones that are longer. You've got more of an area where you can have the glue stick to the diamond enough for you to be able to pick it up. I mean, that one I've picked up upside down, but it's to give you the idea that no matter what the size of the diamond, a multi-placer gives you a fatter area, which means you can pick up a fatter diamond, and that could help you if you really like to do the likes of special diamond paintings but just cannot get on with tweezers, which some people can, some people can't. I'm not so bad with tweezers and the big ones. I do struggle a little bit more with tweezers and these tiny ones. Let me pick it up sideways. I don't know if you can even, oh, there we go. Can you see the size of that on the silver? And there are some that are even smaller than that, but they're a very, very weird shape. Sometimes I struggle with those with the tweezers because you press too hard and kaping, and off it goes. So that is today's tip and trick. Make sure you are loaded up with wax if need be, with a multi-placer and on your smaller tip, and it'll be a lot easier to pick up the diamonds. You may find that you need to fill up a little bit more than you usually would, especially if you're flipping between the normal size diamonds that will push the wax in and the bigger diamonds where you need the wax to be sticking out or flat a little bit more. You may find that you have to top it up a bit more. But if you are really struggling, try a multi-placer This one's a 4 multi-placer. You might get away with it with a 3 as well. Just give you that bigger surface area of sticky to help you out. But there you go, that is the tip and trick for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.